Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. Today I'm going to be doing a set of nails using another decal that I got from Temu, and they are Dreamcatchers boho look, and these nails as well that I got in my last haul, which I've rounded off the edges and made them a bit more almond shape. I really love the way these nails fit my nails, so I'm going to be using these quite regularly, and I'll probably buy some more, but I'm just trying to figure out what design I want to do. I'm thinking I might go with some rich brown colors. I might do a bit of ombre on the nails. We'll figure it out as we go along. Okay, I'm thinking I'm going to use this rich brown color on the accent nail on the ring finger, and I'm going to use some pearl chrome over the top of that. So we'll start with that and see where it takes us. Now I'm just going to seal that nail with a top coat, and I'll be right back. Now that I've sealed the top coat, I will start using this pearlescent chrome powder on that nail, and we'll see how it looks. Okay, so I think what I've decided to do next is create a bit of a ombre effect. I'm just going to brush on some of the brown polish to half the nail, and then grab my ombre brush and run it through. And the decals are quite decent size, so they will kind of hide any sort of imperfections if you haven't done the ombre too well. And I also realize this style isn't going to be for everyone, because not everyone's into dreamcatchers and boho, but I definitely am, and I love it. So I thought when I saw the decals I just had to have them. So please let me know if it is something that you would wear. I would love to know how many of you love this style, and I will come back to show you what I do next. With this ombre look, I've decided to go for a more fringed, rustic look, kind of like the American Indian fringed vests that they wear, rather than a seamless blend. So I just thought I'd mention that, so you know that I'm not trying to get a seamless blend and it's not working. That's the look I was going for. Now I've decided to add my reflective glitter top coat. I thought that would add an extra element of dimension and sparkle to the design. So I hope you like it. Let me know if I shouldn't have done that, or if you have any other suggestions that would have made this look better. Now I'm going to choose some decals to put on the nails and decide which nails to put what on. These are really good quality decals. They're quite 3D and thick, so they're going to really stand out on the nails, especially against these colors. So let me know what you think as I go along, or if you would have chosen less decals. Sometimes I think maybe I put too many on, but you know, I'm just practicing and I do what I think looks nice, but I'd love some suggestions from you guys. Now I'm going to try the new top coat that I also got from Temu and see how that goes. It does seem to be a nice thin texture and it goes on nice and smooth. So I will put that on all the nails and I will be back with my finished look. Now here they are after curing them, and the last step is to add some oil and they will be all done. Here is the finished look for my boho Dreamcatcher nails. If you liked it, please leave me a love heart in the comments, and I would love to have you over at my Instagram page at Easy Nails by Rachel Lee if you like what I do. Thanks guys.